What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here, and welcome back to the channel. So today, guys, I'm going to show you guys a brand new way to go and promote products on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace and actually start making some money very easy from Clickbank using 100% free traffic. And the method I'm going to show you guys in this video right here, you don't need any money at all. I don't need any website to go and implement what I'm going to show you guys in this video and start getting some free traffic and start making some sales on Clickbank. All you're going to do is you're going to watch the video step by step to the end, and we're going to take action on what I'm going to show you guys in this video. You can start getting some free traffic and start making some sales very easily on Clickbank using 100% free traffic without having to invest any money on this free traffic method right here. So the method I'm going to show you guys, you can go and do this and you can go and earn your first $500 plus on Clickbank today using 100% free traffic. I'm going to show you guys the huge free traffic source, and it's also very easy and effective method right here. So the method is easy, copy and paste, and anyway you can go and do this from anywhere around the world, and no website is needed, and it's also very newbie friendly method right here. So you're going to get 100% free traffic, and it's also very easy to go and implement this free traffic strategy right here. So be sure to watch the video step by step to the end, because I'm going to show you guys how to go and implement this method properly to go and get a lot of targeted free traffic and actually start making some money very easily on Clickbank using what I'm going to show you guys in this video right here. So if you enjoy this channel, please subscribe to the channel so you're going to find out when I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money. So I post new videos on how to make money on Clickbank, and how to make money on Digital 24, Warrior Plus, and some general make money online methods. And most of the methods are all 100% free to go and get started. So if you made your first sale on Clickbank, be sure to watch this video step by step to the end and implement the free traffic method that I'm going to show you guys in this video. That many other affiliates are using this free traffic source to promote their own affiliate offers and get some targeted free traffic. You can go and use this method as well and start making some extra money on Clickbank for 100% free. Once you make money from the free methods, I recommend that you can go and take that money and reinvest back on the paid traffic methods, and that's how it's going to help you to go and make a little more money consistently on the paid traffic methods. Also, want to learn my most recommended method to start making money online, be sure to click the first link in the description. You can go and get my step-by-step method I'm using to make money consistently on Clickbank. How many subscribers are using? Many of them are already making money from the free and the paid traffic method I show you guys inside that training. So you're going to go and take the training, be sure to go and actually take action, because if you're not going to take any action, you're not going to see any results. But if you're going to take action, you're going to see sales fast, where I show you guys inside that training. So that's guys, so let's get into this method. Let me show you guys exactly what we're going to do and promote products on Clickbank for 100% free without any website and without any money, and start making some sales very fast. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, so let's go into the method. Let me show you guys this method. You can go and use actually make some money very fast on Clickbank without actually investing any money. So I'm going to show you guys some products to go and promote that's going to actually convert very well with this free traffic sales right here. So the first thing you want to go and do is you want to go to affiliate marketplace. You want to go and choose an affiliate offer that's actually converting very well and also has a very low barrier to entry. So you're going to look for very low ticket products that people can go and buy the low ticket offer before they can go and be upsold their high ticket offer right here. So you're going to do is you're going to go to affiliate marketplace. You can go and click right here and sort by gravity. You're going to see the top selling products on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace right now. I'm going to show you guys a category you can go and promote and actually make a lot of money in that category right here. So I'm going to go right here. So you can see right here there are a lot of categories from here. One of the best categories to go and promote with this free traffic source I'm going to be showing guys is the e-business and e-marketing category. So just click on e-business and e-marketing category. You're going to find a lot of high quality products right here, and they actually convert very well. You're going to only find an offer that has a very low barrier to entry, which means that they have very low ticket offer, and you can actually go and make a lot more money in the back end. So you can see this one, for example, Clickwell system. You can see actually converting very well. You can see your initial commission is going to be only $18, but you can actually go and make a lot more money in the upsells. So it is going to be very easy to go and actually make sales, because for example the front end sale is only at $9 right here. So people have to go and only spend $9, and they can go and upsold the other products in the back end, and that's where you're going to make a lot of money right here, because this low ticket affiliate offer is going to actually convert very well with this free traffic method I'm going to show you guys right here. You can see this one, 12-minute affiliate system, perpetual income 64, you can see 365. You can see this other one, get paid to use Facebook and Twitter. You can see the initial commission as well is only $25 right here, and it also has a lot of upsells. So I'm going to promote one affiliate offer from here. So let's say for example we're going to promote this one, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube. You can see this product still actually converts very well, has a gravity of up to 109. You can see right here also has a recurring revenue, so I'm gonna make a lot more money every month when somebody buy that affiliate offer. If they continue to buy the membership, you're going to get recurring revenue every month from any customer that's going to actually buy the affiliate offer. So let's go and check out this affiliate offer. So let's go to the sales page. We also go to the affiliate tools area as well. I can go and see the commission details when you are going to go promote this affiliate offer right here. So let's go to the sales page of the offer. Consider it's a very simple sales page. Consider here regular mom makes $285 per day working from home. So this is going to actually come very well right here with this free traffic source I'm going to show you guys right here. Consider here it's a very simple article, and people can go and actually apply, and they can go and buy our affiliate offer from here. Consider here apply for jobs. We're going to promote this offer right here. I'm going to show you guys what the easiest method to go and promote this and actually earn a lot of money on complete autopilot. And this is a method many people are using already to go and promote their affiliate offers and actually make a lot of money. So when people land on this affiliate page right here, you can see right here it's the entire sales page copy. You can see right, they can go and read all of this, and they can go and click right here and click on apply. It's going to go and take them to the next step of the funnel. They can go and apply and buy this affiliate offer from here. You can see right here it has a lot more different details from here. I will click on this. It's going to take them to the next page that they can go and actually buy this affiliate offer right here by creating a free account. So this pro actually converts very well because the funnel actually converts very well. I can go and make a lot more money in the upsells. If you go to the affiliate tools area from here, you can go and find out a lot more information about promoting this affiliate offer right here. You can see right here, you can go and find out a lot more information about the upsells from here. And this product has been selling for almost 2 years now on the Clickbank affiliate marketplace and still converting very well, and has very low refund rate that is less than 10% right here. So that's guys, so we're going to promoting this free traffic source right here. So let me show you guys the traffic source we're going to use and promote these offers and actually earn a lot of money. So the free traffic source that we're going to use to go and promote this affiliate offer right is the website called classifiesforme.com. So this is a brand new classified ad website. You can go and actually promote your affiliate offer and start making some sales very fast on Clickbank, and this is going to actually convert very well with low ticket affiliate offers. So we're going to do, we're going to go to the website called Classified Ad for Me. So let's go to the website. You can see this website. You can go and post your ads on this website for 100% free. I mean, people are using this method already to go and promote their affiliate offers on Clickbank, JVZoo, and even Warrior Plus affiliate offers on this particular website right here for 100% free. You can see right here a lot of categories from here. What you're going to do is once you go to the website, you're going to see a lot of categories from here. You're going to scroll at the bottom because right here you can go and post your ads in a lot of top tier countries. Right, you can see right here there's USA classified, UK classified, Canada, India, Australia, Malaysia, and UAE classifieds right here, and more. What you're going to do is you're going to make sure to go and post your ad in top tier countries slightly, because that's where you're going to make most of your sales, and you're going to be promoting a low ticket affiliate offer, so it's going to actually convert very well with this free traffic source right here. What you're going to do from this, you can just go for example to USA classified, and as you guys can go and post your free ad in this particular website right here. So let me show you guys examples of people that are already posting their ads on this website and they're getting a lot of free traffic to their affiliate offers. Right, you can see right here, this is New York City. It's an ad, it's a free ad that's been posted right here. You can see here, for example, an extra $1,000. You can find a lot of different ads here that many people are actually posting on this website right here. So let me just open this one for example. So this is a Clickbank affiliate offer that someone is promoting right here. You can see right here a very simple ad right here, and this is a link back to the affiliate offer. So if I go to this link, you're going to see it's going to actually take me to an affiliate offer on Clickbank, and this person actually using this to go and get a lot of free traffic and actually make a lot of money from using this free traffic source right here. So that's guys, so this person is promoting right here the internet just said, I am just said right here by John Cristani. So this person actually getting some free traffic from here. I've got here, you can go and find a lot of other opportunities that many people are posting on this website right here, and they're promoting the different CPA and affiliate offers. What you can do from this, I can go and post a lot of free ads on this website right here and start getting some free traffic. So the more traffic, the more ads you're going to post on this website, the more traffic you're going to get, and the more sales you can go and make from this free method right here. So let me show you guys how to go and post an ad on this website right here very easily. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go, for example, to USA classified or UK classified, and you're going to post your ad in those top tier countries right here. Once you go to USA classified, you can just go and click on post an ad for free. I can go and choose and post your ad from here very easily for 100% free. So since we're promoting a make money online offer, you're going to choose, for example, business opportunities. I can just go and choose, for example, business offers. And that's guys going to take you to the next step. You can go and post your ad on this website right here for 100% free. And all you're going to do is you're going to write a simple subject line, you're going to write a body, and you're going to input a link back to your affiliate offer from here very easily. So let me show you guys a sample ad that already wrote that I'm just going to go and actually paste on this website here to promote this offer very easily. So this one right here, I just wrote, for example, we are hiring and $20 per hour beginner jobs. So I'm just going to use this one as my headline. I'm just going to paste it right here. That's going to be my subject line. And that's guys for the body. I just wrote a very simple body. For example, do you have basic writing skills, or do you have a tablet or smartphone? Then you are qualified to go and actually use this job right here. So no experience or specialized skills is needed for this particular method right here. So we're just going to copy this. And that's guys, so it's very easy to go and actually create a very simple ad and paste on this website. And next, you're going to input a link to your affiliate offer right here. So you're just going to go back to your affiliate marketplace. You're going to get your affiliate link. So click on promote. So this is going to actually convert very well because they are very low ticket affiliate offers, and people don't actually need a lot of money to go and actually buy these offers right here. So it's going to go and convert very well. So we're tracking ID, consider, for example, classified. So I'm going to find where my sales are coming from. So you just click on generate hub links. And that's guys, I'm just going to go and copy my affiliate link. I can go, for example, to the website, tiny URL or bit.ly. You can go and shorten your affiliate link. Just click on make tiny URL. And that's guys, I'm going to go and copy this and go and paste it inside my ad. And that's guys, what you can do from here is they're going to input your real email address from here. So you're going to input your real email address from here because they're going to actually send you a link inside your email address to go and actually click to go and activate this ad on this website. So make sure to go and input your real email address right here. So you can just go and create a new email address and can go and use it for this method right here. So you're going to input your email address from here. So let me just input a random email address for this example. So that's guys, I'll just input a random email address, but you're going to input your own real email address from here. And next you can go and input, for example, different images. For example, money images, you can go and input any image from here. For this example, I'm just going to leave it as blank, and you're just going to fill in this captcha right here. So let me just fill in this, and I'm just going to submit it on this website right here. So F7HXV. So that's guys, that's how easy it is for you to go and actually post an ad on this website for 100% free and start getting some free traffic. Once you're there, you're just going to click on submit, and that's guys, your ad is going to be selected, it's going to be posted on this website. And all you're going to do is you're going to go to your emails, you're going to go back to your email, and they're going to give you a link to go and actually activate your ad on this website. So it's going to publish on this website for 100% free. And that's it guys, you're going to get a lot of free traffic, and you can go and start making some extra money from here because they're promoting very low ticket affiliate offers. Once you've activated your ad, what you're going to do next, you can just go and click on post another ad. And that's guys, you're going to post a lot of ads in a lot of different categories from here and promote affiliate offers on Clickbank and actually make a lot of money. And it's going to convert very well with low ticket affiliate offers. So that's the simple method to show you guys you can go and use and start getting some free traffic and promote affiliate offers and start making some extra income very easily with this free method of showing guys in this video. So if you found this video, sure to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. So anytime that I post new methods that can help you guys start making some extra money on Clickbank. So that's it. Take action on this method, and I'll see you in the next video.